In this video, we are going to show you how to set up local delivery in your Shopify account. Now, of course, you need to be signed in, and once you are in your admin dashboard, look towards the lower left corner of your screen. It says settings, right? So what you're going to do is click on settings. It's going to bring you to this page, right? So what you want to do next is click on shipping and delivery here on the main menu, like so. Once you are here, you're going to look at local delivery. So for it depends on your device, you might need to scroll down, but for me, as you can see, we already can see local delivery, right? So click setup, and here you're going to see your locations, and if it says doesn't offer delivery, this is what we're going to do, right? This is what we're going to set up. So click on this option. It's going to bring you to this page. Now, location status, delivery orders to customers directly from this location. So by default, it is not enabled. All you need to do is click on this tab here, like so, and a whole new slur of options will appear. So delivery zones, you can either choose postal codes if you're in a country where postal codes is a huge factor in terms of delivery. So you can use postal codes, or by default, it's going to set a delivery radius, right? So you can either use kilometers or miles, right? And including neighboring states or regions if that's applicable for your location, right? And then you can also add a zone, right? Local delivery radius. This is where you're gonna, for example, 10 kilometers. Minimum order. This is you're also going to pretty much fill in the minimum order price and delivery price for your service within that radius, right? So for example, let's do must greater than 10. Okay, so let's do 15. Minimum order, say 300, and then delivery price is going to be, say, 60, 70. Like, there you go. And then you can also put delivery information here, and then click save. There you go. You're pretty much set up that whole thing when it comes to 10 to 15 kilometer radius. And then you can also manage local delivery apps if you are actually using them. So if you want to check, you can just click view apps. Once you do that, you'll be able to check out other delivery apps that are available that you can integrate in your Shopify account. But after that, after you've finished everything, click save here on the upper, pretty much top option, right? Don't click discard because you're gonna go through it again, So click save, and there you go, local delivery updated, and that's it. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon will see you on the next video.